morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Press the star button.
Good morning. Say hi. Say hi. Yay.
Lemon.
We are going to where? To the bird park. Yes. Now, what we are going to see there? Lots of birds and lots of ducks, right? बाय कशाला करतोय? आपल्याला डक बघायचंय ना तिथं. हाय करायचं. हाय हाय. आपण काय करणार आहे? बर्ड बघायला जाणार आहे ना? डॉग कसं करतो? असं करतं. हा. बाहेर बघा आता कुठे आपण चाललो मस्त मस्त आहे की नाही? हा. काय करतोय तू? बुक रीड करतोय का? मिल्क कुठे? दाखव मला मिल्क. मिल्क कुठे? मिल्क एक कुठे? एक ये कॅरेट ये मिल्क. नो दॅट्स वॉटर. दॅट्स नॉट मिल्क. काय रे? डक 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 डक. तर आम्ही आलो नियर बाय जवळ 20 मिनिटात पोहोचतो आणि जवळची शेतीचा एरिया आहे. हे आहे शेतीचा एरिया. असं छान आहे. माझी शेती बघा किती दूर आहे. नजर जाईल तिथपर्यंत शेती गावाची. संपत नाही एंड. खेडेगावात असो इथले घर बघू शकताय तुम्ही. There is play area. This is our Taksh. Say hi. Say hi, Taksh. We are going to reach in 5 minutes. Welcome to Scotland Neck.
2-hour drive. We covered around 100 miles and then we are here at a bird park now. So look at here, they have created this parking for the event and then we are gonna explore the parking event. So let's go. Let's explore. Takshu must be ready. I will take him out. He might be eating. And this is me. This is Takshu. Yeah, so I can hear all the good noises from the birds and then birds are chirping. So let's see. Let's explore this today.
Mangoes are there.
Here inside the park now. Look at these beautiful flamingos. And then you have this visitor center. I got my badge. We bought tickets and Takshu is enjoying blueberry here. Takshu? Right? Sunday ho ya Monday रोज खाओ. रोज खाओ blueberry. And he calls them blubda. So look at here, these flamingos are quite nice. I hope you can see them. But yeah, and you can hear these beautiful birds chirping. Let's go and explore these birds today. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, look at that bird. Oh, it was a duck. It was a nice move. I hope I have captured the move. But this is looking very good. Very decent and awesome. Okay. Let's go. Oh, look at them. Oh my god, sea pigeons. Nice. हा दे ना.
धर दक्षू. हे बघ हातात घे. हे त्याला दे त्याला दे त्याला दे. तू नाही खायची तू.
मस्त ना. दे 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 फूड दे.
चला पुढे चलूया. इकडे बघा.
नाईस.
फोटो काढायचा.
तक्षू
काय रे तक्षू. त्याला दे ना दे जेवायला दे त्याला. हा नको तसं हे करायचं.
ना ना. So these are scarlet hybrids. Look at the color. That's just beautiful. Damn beautiful. There is this rest area where you can get some ice cream, some pretzels, hot dogs, sandwiches, and if you are interested in any sundaes, then you can get that. No, Takshu, don't. Let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. Hi. This is South America section. More flamingos.
हे बघ इथं पॅरेट आहे. हे बघ
There is a parrot here.
इथे. हे बघ हे बघ इथं बसलाय.
Look at
इथे
him.
बबडी. ये मम्मा दाखवती. हे बघ इथे.
Let's get a better angle.
हे बघ इथं बसलाय.
look at him.
इथे वरती
He's
इथे
looking very
इकडे ये.
good.
मम्मा जवळ ये.
All the birds we saw, right, which are found in South America. Scarlet macaw and everything. We will go to the next section now. There is this blue crane and then bar-headed goose. So this is the bar-headed goose, and then there is this blue crane and mouse-tail creek. There is this mouse-tail creek. Look at him. See now a moot swarm and then western greyland goose. So let's go and watch swans now. Look at these beautiful swans. Nice. This is now going through a nature's walkway. There's this white area. Say hi, Takshu, say hi. Yeah?
चला चला चला.
That protect the eyes. They often sun bath spread it out to the front. It says that he'll lay down for the sun.
Yung ostrich ते ostrich. काय? Ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich.
Oh, this is great. Arthur. We are again to the area where American flamingos are there. Let's look at them. How good. Oh, look at how loud its sound is.
I'm sorry we didn't say bye.
Taksh ओळखतो का तू दाखवू? Whooping crane? तक्षुला ओळखतो तू? तक्षु whooping crane कसं वाटलं तुला? हा?
दोन आहे वाटतं तिकडे आहे की
कुठे आहे दुसरा?
तिकडे झाड त्या साईडला का ते तिकडून राईट साईडला राईट साईड तुमची राईट साईड
आता ही राईट ना? मग तिकडेच चाललो ना? This is Saurus crane. Look at this beauty. How beautiful it is. This guy sees a swing, any play area, anywhere, in any park, let it be bird park, let it be any kind of park, and he just gets on it and then enjoys it. Right, Takshu? Nice. Look at all these birds. People watching birds here, and then this guy is just enjoying his swing. Look at how happy he is. So now Taksh and his mom blowing bubbles now. Oh. Nice. It is now almost 2:30 and we are leaving now. So we enjoyed this bird park, we enjoyed this look thing which they had. It was a nice day. And look at the sun. It is 88 degrees outside. And look at my car. I'll just turn on the AC. And look at the noise it is making because the AC is running and it is too hot. So we start the journey to go back to our home. Yeah.
या आहे मळ्यातली घर. This is kind of farmhouse. This is the farmer's house. मशीन कसं आहे पूर्ण शेतात रोटेट होत. इकडे बघू शकताय पाणी फवारणी चालू. शेतीला बेसिकली पाणी द्यायचं काम चाललंय. नॉट शुअर हाऊ मच यू हॅव सीन. ते रोटेट करायचंय पूर्ण शेतात, त्याने पाणी जातं.
पूर्ण सर्क्युलर फिरते
हा चाक आहे ना त्याला खाली.
ते चालत असेल ना ऑटोमॅटिक. आपल्याकडे नाही पाणी.
शेती चालू इथे. ट्रॅक्टर काहीतरी शेतीचं काम चालू आहे इथे. बघू शकताय पाण्याचं मशीन आहे फवारणी. बघू शकता किती मोठं आहे. याच्याने पाणी शेतीत फवारणी केली जाते. ही शेती आहे. त्यांची काहीतरी कापणी झाली आहे शेतीची. द्राक्षाला कापूस वाटते.
Reached his home. Takshu, how was the trip? How was the trip? No comments? बाय करून दे. बाय कर ना एकदा. बाय कर ना व्लॉगला. बाय गाईज. बाय फ्रॉम तक्षू. फ्लँकिश. यस.